Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today what we're going to do is get rid of that. I'm going to make a quiche. Well, basically just a quiche, not a Lorraine quiche, but just a quiche, my quiche. And it's going to be a bit of trial and error because I haven't got no like flan dishes or nothing. I've got no blind baking beads to do the crust with, so I just have to get through that bit. But what I've got is I'm going to slice up some of this ham. I've got some spinach, I've got eggs, I've got some peppers, I've got some snap peas which I'm going to slice up, some garlic, red onion, white onion, some big mushrooms and some little button mushrooms. I've got some grated cheese which is going to go in with the mixture, and then right at the last minute when it's nearly cooked I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese on top, salt and pepper and a little bit of olive oil to cook off the onions first, and it's going to go in this tray. So I'm going to get the pastry rolled out to fit this, put some greaseproof paper in the bottom and see how we go. So what I'm going to do first of all, I'm going to prep all this lot up and then we'll come back. So see you soon. Okay, so we've got everything prepped up. We've got our mushrooms, white and red onion, our ham sliced. We've got our red and yellow peppers and our snap peas all sliced up. We've got our garlic chopped up. We've got our spinach, which this was in the freezer by the way. So that's thawed out. We've got our eggs done. We've already got our cheese done. So what I'm going to do is come back and I'm going to roll out the pastry and put it in the tray. So see you soon. Okay, so we're back. Let me just give this a nice little roll out. Doing. Yeah, it's nearly there. Might be able to stretch it just a little bit more. So that should be big enough. So I'm going to put some greaseproof paper, just put it in that tray, and we'll come back and I'll get this in. See you soon. Okay, so it's sort of like gave me a fight all the way through it, but I've got it rolled out in this tray. I've got no blind beads for baking, so I've had to put just a couple of these on, a bit of greaseproof paper, just to get it cooking. Hopefully it won't shrink too much. So get that in the oven, but I'm going to keep an eye on it. And I'm going to bring it back out when I can see it just going a little bit brown. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so this has been about 15 minutes. What I'm doing now is pull this out. And we'll take these off. It's going to be really hot. This off of here. And what we do is just poke that through with a fork. And we'll get it back in the oven and get this nice and golden brown. It's not going to look pretty, but it's going to taste really good. Okay, so it collapsed, but hey, this bit collapsed because where I held it with a cloth, pushed it in. Rest of it's not too bad. This side collapsed as well, but well, it is what it is. So anyway, it's going to be tasty anyway. So you know, this is in like the real world. You know, I could have made another one, and it'd have been perfect. But no, I'm going to stick with this one. So anyway, come back to here. We've got a pan on, a little bit of olive oil, a bit of garlic, get our white and red onions, get our red and yellow peppers and our little snap peas in. Put our mushrooms in. A bit of salt. A bit of pepper. And we'll let them cook down a little bit. Don't want to cook them too much because I want a little bit of bite left in them, and obviously I don't want to cook mushrooms too much because, you know, they'll be too soggy. So we'll bring you back when this is done. Okay, so we're back. So I've got my bowl, put my eggs in it. Give these a nice whisk up. And as you know, I always change things up, so I'm going to put some chives in. Put our ham in. Our ingredients out of our pan. Give it a nice mix up, get everything coated. Some cheese. Get our tray back with our disaster of a pastry. Get this in here. And we'll just move this about. And we'll just get another little bit of cheese over the top. We'll get that back in the oven and cook it for about another half an hour, and get all this loveliness and all the eggs and everything all bound together. And I nearly forgot, get bits of spinach. And now we put it in the oven. Okay, so we're back. Just pull this out of the oven. Oh, it's looking a bit tasty. What I'm going to do is get the nice bit of Parmesan. we'll bring you back when it's done. Okay, so we're back. Let's pull this out. Well, it looks a bit rough around the edges, but hey, it's I'm all about cooking in the real world. So you know, I said it before, I could have made another page and say, oh look, there it is, and it's all done, all lovely, but this is what it is, and you make do with what you got. So this is going to be really tasty, and I'm going to let this cool down so we can cut it up, and then we'll bring it back and I'll show you a few bits of it on a plate. See you later. Cheers guys. Okay, so there we have it. I've got most of it out, I've got sliced up into slices. So it's like quiche. It's not that thick because my pan wasn't that deep, so I will do this one again in a deeper pan. So it's about an inch and something thick, and I'll get the blind baking beads to do it properly. But this is, I've already had a couple of bits of this. It's really tasty with the peppers and the mushrooms, onions, garlic, spinach, and cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, and chives, and all that good stuff. I will obviously put all the ingredients in the description, and yeah, you know, it is what it is, and it's really tasty, and on a short crust pastry base. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. I'll do this one again and it'll be better than this. Thanks guys, see you later, take it easy.